Welcome back to another episode of Outdoor Chef Life. So Jocelyn and I have just got back to the Bay Area from being away for almost 3 months. And wow, what an adventure it was in Japan, Hawaii, and then we actually ended in Thailand. And I have one Thailand video for you guys, and that's this video here. But before I start the video, I have a little announcement to make. So I just got these long sleeve t-shirts in that say Outdoor Chef Life, and they're on sale right now. And I wanted to post this video before the weekend started so you guys can order it and I can start shipping it out, and hopefully you guys can get them for before Christmas. Yeah, so check it out. This is a long sleeve t-shirt. It's really soft and comfortable. It's pretty nice. So I have another batch of t-shirts coming in. Those are short sleeve t-shirts, and there's 3 different colors for those ones, and there's a design on the back of that one. And I'll post the picture right here somewhere. I should be getting that shipment in today. So I'm gonna put them up on the website as soon as they come in. Yeah, go to my website, OutdoorChefLife.com. I'll put the link in the description below. So happy holidays to you guys. Enjoy this video, and thank you for watching. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Outdoor Chef Life. So I am now in Bangkok, Thailand. Yeah, all the Japan videos are done now. Man, amazing time over there in Japan. If you guys want to see all the other things we did besides the catch and cooks in Japan, make sure to check out our second channel. Jocelyn's been working on this channel called Taklyn the World. So where we just go out in Japan and wherever we've been and do a bunch of other different stuff besides the catch and cook. So if you guys are interested in that, go check that out. Today I'm in a fishing pond with Tap here. He is a fishing guide out of Bangkok, and he's brought me out here to do some fishing. What is this place called?
It's Tai Nana Fishing Park. So it's actually a pre-opening, so we're here kind of quite exclusively.
Ooh.
Before they open up. Yep.
Nice. Yeah, explains that it's empty here.
This goes on the feeder like that.
You just smush it all in there, huh?
Yep.
How well does that stay on, really? Like when it's in the water?
5 or 10 minutes.
Oh, really?
Yeah, depending on
how tight you do it.
How often the fish hits it.
Is bread
Yep.
the bait of choice?
Yep.
Does that pretty much catch everything?
Pretty much.
Oh. There's one. Oh, I got it. Little one. Oh, first fish. Little tilapia. There he is. All right, guys. Try to get a bigger tilapia so we can eat them. Have some lunch.
Getting bigger.
Yeah, a little bigger. Oh, here we go. There we go. About the same size. Oh, this is bigger for sure. Oh, what was that?
Chinese carp, I think.
Carp?
Yeah.
There we go. Oh, wow. That's a weird looking fish. Oh, there he goes again. There he is.
Oh no, it's a giant gourami. That's awesome.
Oh, there he goes again. Oh no. Look at him. Wow, this ugly fish.
Hell of a fight, too.
Yeah.
gnarly fish.
Dang. Dang. Whoa. 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 Look at this fish, guys. Wow, this is a weird looking fish. Man, I was just trying to catch some tilapia so we can cook it up and have it for lunch. But this guy comes along. Wow. Wow, that is an amazing fish. This is a native to Thailand?
It's native to Thailand.
Wow. All right, I'm gonna let him go. There he goes. So Johnson and I kind of decided to come to Thailand after all of our Japan stuff, just to kind of hang out and have some good food and catch up on our editing. So I wasn't planning on really making a video in Thailand, but I was like, man, I'm here, might as well. And I contacted Tap and he's like, all right, let's go. Whoa! He's running this way. He's running this way. Whoa!
Oh, rohu.
Oh.
Yeah, it's from India. It's a type of carp.
Oh.
It's called a rohu.
Rohu. Oh. Oh. Say the name again?
Rohu.
Rohu. Very pretty carp. Nice. Oh, all right. I have to throw this guy back. All right, here he goes. There we go, buddy. So if you guys are visiting Bangkok, if you want to do some fishing around here and try to go for these big like Amazon fish, the arapaimas, those are cool fish. Unfortunately, it's not open at this location yet, so I can't go for them. But he takes people on those tours. I'll leave a link in the description below for Tap's website so you guys can check him out if you're visiting Bangkok. So I met up with Daniel from Philosophy D just the other day here in Bangkok. Just coincidentally, we were in Bangkok at the same time, hanging out at a night market, just having some dinner and some beers. He's going to another fishing pond down somewhere near Phuket. He might be catching some arapaimas and those big river monsters. But make sure to go check his video out because I think it's going to be better.
Yeah, just reel in real quick, really fast, find the fish.
Whoa! And this one was another species of carp, and we're not allowed to eat any of these bigger fish, so they're all safely released back into the water. But we are allowed to eat all the tilapia. So we got one of these tilapia that were edible size. So we're gonna take this back to the kitchen and we're gonna cook them up. So we're back, we're in the kitchen now. If you're wondering what knife I'm using, I'm just borrowing one of their knives. There we go. Just hit the tail. That's done.
เลยครับป้าใส่โคกป้า
ครบแล้วค่ะ
อ๋ออันนี้ทำเสร็จแล้วใช่ไหม
เสร็จ
ครับ
แล้วจ้ะ
แล้วไงต่อครับ
แล้วก็ไปล่างปลา
Okay, so they're gonna show me how to make this really delicious spicy Thai sauce. It's got some red onion, it's got some lemongrass. All right, we're just gonna dice this up first. doing the catch and cook, but I'm also getting a little Thai cooking lesson.
ไปแค่นั้นไปอย่างนั้นแหละ
จริงๆมันต้องซอย
ใช่ That's good.
โน้อันนั้นไม่ใช่ค่ะ ต้องซอยหยาบ
She wanted it like
Oh, slices?
yeah.
Oh, okay. I messed up already. Just want to slice, not diced. Only like this.
ใช่ไหมครับ
Okay. Okay.
Then the lemongrass also sliced,
Sliced
but
ใช่เลยค่ะ
in a yeah.
thin. Right. Okay.
In a
Okay.
angle.
Right, now I'm cutting the lemongrass.
ซอยหยาบมากเลยนะคะ
Too thin.
Too thin?
Yeah.
Oh, thicker.
เปลี่ยนอันนี้เลยค่ะซอยหยาบค่ะ
Bigger.
อ่า
Yeah. Right onto the fish.
Onto the fish.
Right onto the fish.
โรยอันนู้น
This first.
Yeah. Come on, let's break it maybe. You want some more?
นิดหน่อยค่ะ
Oh, a little bit more.
More? Okay.
A little bit more. Yeah.
ตะไคร้เลยค่ะ
And put this on top.
Yes, yeah. Still gotta toss it anyway. So,
Yeah.
so
ท่อนไม่
inch
1 inch like this.
ยาวไปค่ะ
too long.
ค่ะ
Okay. So the sauce is pretty much
จริงๆต้องราดอันนี้ก่อนแล้วก็โรยผักชี
อ๋อเดี๋ยว
นะคะ
เดี๋ยว
Ooh,
ฉ่ำไปหรือเปล่าจะฉ่ำไปมั้งคะ
spicy. It's good.
อ๋อจะทานนะอ๋อใส่นั่นคลุกเลยเหรอคะ
คลุกเลยครับ
อ๋อ
Oh,
ไม่คิดว่าเวลาทานแล้วก็คลุกเอง
อ๋อไม่ครับ
ใส่
คลุก
จา
เล
น
ยครับ
อ๋อค่ะค่ะ
what happened? What happened? You don't put it in
Two
here?
ways of serving it, right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So like you could
เนี่ยค่ะ
Yeah.
you could toss it right away, or you could toss it later.
หอม
Okay.
ค่ะ
More onions, more onions.
More onions. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, it's her kitchen. Gotta listen to the boss. Gotta listen to the boss. Well, all of them, huh?
ใช่มันจะสวยอยู่ตรงนี้
Some dry chilies. Oh, yes. Nice. Looking good. It smells so good.
ไม่ฉ่ำอันนี้ราดอีก
Okay, yeah. More sauce, yes.
That's
Yes,
just Thai
yes.
cooking right here.
Oh, wow. This is looking amazing. Now we just plate it onto the fish right here.
ค่ะค่ะอันนี้ทำให้
Okay. Mm-hmm. Wow. Woo.
ร้อย
Wow. This looks delicious.
Bring it up.
Cup and cup. Cup and cup. Ready to taste this?
Oh yeah.
การย่างก็จะต้มปลาไม่มีเวลาซูมเลยที่ไหนอ่ะอ๋อ
Man, that's why I come to Thailand for all the spicy food,
All
man.
right. Look at this.
Oh, Tap, thank you for today.
You're welcome.
Thanks for showing me around here. And yeah, let's try our tilapia. Oh my gosh, looks so good. Looks so spicy.
The part I like the most, no bones. You made sure you cleaned up all those bones.
Yeah. I mean, it makes a lot of difference when you get.
Something we don't do well around here.
It's faster, right? If you don't take out the bones, it's just like
just go
boom, boom, boom.
Yep.
Yeah.
Something I haven't told you, but in the dressing, this white stuff,
Yeah, what is that?
toasted rice.
Toasted rice. Oh,
But it's a personal preference. Apparently, they like it a bit thicker here, which gives more texture. While like a lot of the other places, it'll be like completely grinded to powder.
yeah, I can definitely taste that texture. And it's really good. And that spicy level, not even too spicy.
It's about right, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, not even too spicy. And the lemongrass comes through so good. Just kicks through and gives it that nice acidity. That the sauce, yeah, the sauce is amazing. Man, so amazing. We didn't end up learn how to make the sauce from scratch, but
really.
that remains a secret, I guess.
Secret, yep.
Look at this. Wow. Wow. Even though it's been covered in all that sauce, still get a nice crunch with that layer, you know, that fried layer. Solid. Oh man. That's what I come to Thailand for. All that spicy food. If you like spicy food and you haven't been to Thailand, you need to make that a priority. And if you come to Bangkok, want to do some fishing, make sure to hit up tap right here. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to hit that thumbs up, subscribe. See you guys next time. Peace. Woo. Whenever I'm in Thailand, like Mark Ween says, if it's not spicy, I'm not eating it. Woo. I got to learn a little bit from the chef here, so that was cool. That was my favorite part. Glad I got that. That made my day.